Hey guys, I am Vyas Aditya. I have more than 6 years of experience in business intelligence, data analytics, and marketing analytics. I've also worked in Mexico City and Berlin in the previous few years, representing the e-commerce space. I'm an alumnus of ESEP Europe and NIT Trichy. In the past couple of years, I have taught SQL, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Google Data Studio, and Python to more than 300 students, and a good number of students have also secured internships in Berlin as well as India by doing my classes. I thought I could share my knowledge about technical tools and business insights based on my experience in data analytics and e-commerce over the past few years. So in this channel, you can expect videos on topics such as SQL, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Python, and Google Data Studio. On top of that, I will also be having a few videos on business KPIs and insights which are relevant to the e-commerce space. Stay tuned for future videos and keep supporting the channel. I will be starting my first video with basics of SQL. So we'll have a few videos in the SQL series and slowly we'll move on to the other tools. Hoping to see you in the future videos. Do subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.